Hello, everybody. My name is Roger, and I am the product manager of the Cloud Connector team. And this is our 16.9 planning issue. Everybody's come back from a nice break over the new year, so there's no noteworthy PTO for this milestone. This planning issue, we're going to talk a little bit about three high-level themes for Q1, and then zoom in a little bit on our specific 16.9 intentions. Our top priority is to continue to support the AI workstream, particularly the monetization of code suggestions and maturing of chat on self-managed towards general availability. As of February 15th, users must be assigned an AI add-on seat to continue receiving uninterrupted access to code suggestions. We are also releasing GitLab chat in a beta state and are working to extend its functionality for self-managed users, particularly to ask questions about GitLab documentation. This work will not happen prior to Chat GA. However, in 16.9, we're going to start clarifying timelines and estimates required to enable this functionality for this long-term goal. We estimate our effort on this from the Cloud Connector team perspective to be supporting the AI framework. The secondary theme for us is to strengthen Cloud Connector's technical foundations. Over the past several milestones, we've shipped a lot of work and taken on very intentional technical and product debt in order to ship fast and bring things to general availability. We want to take advantage of this opportunity to tidy up some technical areas. And overall, we expect this to bring three key benefits. We'll improve GitLab's ability to onboard users at scale. We'll enable feature teams to self-serve AI capabilities for self-managed customers following established technical patterns, and lay the foundation for future AI capabilities involving telemetry, such as value stream analytics. So there's basically three actual areas we're thinking about. There's a whole category of Cloud Connector abstractions we'll be working through, including the introduction of a cloud.gitlab.com endpoint. We expect this to be good for AI, but also other use cases like Tanuki and observability, which will come later in June and later in Q3. We'll also introduce a snowplow connection to self-manage via cloud.gitlab.com to facilitate telemetry. And lastly, we'll need to do some rate limiting work as well. Our third and final sort of theme that we want to look at for the quarter is to develop a plan to support non-AI use cases in the upcoming quarters. We know that Tanuki is looking at an MVP around June and observability is going live at around Q3. While we have been providing low levels of stable counterpart support for these efforts, in 16.9, we want to work to clarify our level of support for these future use cases by reviewing their technical blueprints and identifying key work items that need to be scheduled in the next 6 months. The results of this is to align with adjacent teams on a technical path forward and commit to deadlines for key engineering deliverables by Cloud Connector Group. Building out these deliverables themselves, we will track as we come up with them inside our Cloud Connector technical foundations. Yeah, that's all for 16.9. Thank you so much, folks.